Hello guys, this is Prashant. Today we are going to solve the issue of LRU cache, which is asked in some of the companies like Microsoft and some of the companies as listed over here. So the problem states of adding a key and value pairs to a cache using set function and retrieve the corresponding value to a key using get function. The limit is set by the cache size, okay, and if the value does not exist, it returns -1. So we'll see how it is solved. So here I'm using a data structure, two data structures, key, dequeue and map. Okay, the dequeue data structure is used for storing values to the keys. Suppose if I enter 1 comma 2, the 1 comma 2 is entered. If I enter 3 comma 4, then 3 keys entered and value corresponding value 4 is entered into the map. Okay, so all the keys are stored into this dequeue 1 3 5 7 9, and the corresponding value is entered in the map. Okay, so why we are using doubly linked list? Because we need to have the access of the back and front. Suppose the new value is being entered, we enter to the front, and the old value, that is the least recently used position, is withdrawn, then we withdraw it from the back, and using complexity of o comma 1 o1. Okay, so here we are using dequeue to enter all the values of the key, enter all the keys, and map is used for entering all the corresponding values. Okay, the front one is used as the most recently used position. Okay, and the back one is the least recently used position. The cache size is 5, that's why we have only entered 5 key and value pairs. Now what happens if we put a new key and value pair, that is 7 comma 0? Okay, so we see that it already exists, so we need to do is we need to update the value of the corresponding key 7, but since it is the most recently used, we need to shift it ahead to the front header. Okay, so we update the value 7 to 0 and move it ahead, and the previous most recently used position goes back. Now what happens after we enter the key value pair 11 comma 12? Okay, so what happens that the most recently used position is right now with 9 comma 10, and right now we need to add 11 comma 12. So the least recently used position has to pop, okay, at 1 comma 2, and the following 3 comma 4 goes back following the rest key and value pairs. So 11 comma 12 is added, that is it is dequeue dot push front over here. So we see that new key value has been put in front. The reason also why we have popped this one, because the cache size is limited to 5 and we cannot have 1 comma 2 anymore, so we need to pop this. Now what happens when we try to retrieve some position, retrieves a value given the position of the key, given the key value? So we try to get the key 9, okay, and the value 10. Okay, now since this key value pair is a recent one, it is recently used, so it needs to move ahead. Okay, so we do it by changing the position of the second position to the first position, that's the front header. So 9 10 goes ahead and 11 12 comes back. Now let's see the code how it works. If you see, I have put in required headers. I have used two data structures, map and queue. The cache size is there. I have put the two functions. Now the first set function is used. Set function sees if the key is already present or not. So it sees if the key is already present, then we search for the key position and we erase it. I'll later explain why we are erasing it. Okay, second is if the key is not found, okay, and the thing is the cache is already exceeded, then we pop up the back element. Okay, and now since we are adding the element anyway, we have to push it into the front. Okay, also add the corresponding key and value to the map. Okay, now we come to the get function. So if the key is not present, then we return. If key is present, then key is not, then we return. If key is present, then we get an iterator to the double linked list begin, and then we try to find it. We erase it and we try to push into the front instead, and we actually return the value of the stored value of the corresponding key to the function. Okay, that's all friends. The link to the code is in the description box, you can check it there.